Hey guys, this is E&D 14R coming to you live from the Keystone State. I hope everyone's doing well. Um, Things are starting to get better, you know. Good news, I got my first COVID vaccine. I got the Moderna about almost 2 weeks ago, I believe. So I'm waiting to get my second dose. Anyway, moving on from that. This is a product review video. This is the new Bowser 2-bay ballast hopper, and this is the dimensional data car. So basically what the dimensional data car is, it has all the data like reporting marks, car capacity and limit and so forth. And it's basically a blank car, which means you can actually decal it for your railroad, which is exactly what I did with this car here. I actually got two of these cars. So here's the unassembled one. And I will say, it's really easy to build. Heck of a lot easier to build than the E&B Valley kits. Like, Bowser just completely simplified the car. Or it could be a completely different ballast hopper, but it's very similar to the E&B Valley car. And the cool thing with these kits, they come with metal wheels and plastic couplers, although I switched mine to the Katie Whisker couplers. Here's the diagram. And yeah. So this is the weight. Technically, you're supposed to glue that inside the car. I haven't done that yet because I'm still debating on if I want to keep the weight in there or not. It's just, yeah, I'm trying to figure that out, guys. But yeah, the car is amazing and it looks great in the ER&W livery. I do plan to get more of these cars. There's a different version. This has the open V. There's another version that actually has this completely closed. Unfortunately, the place that I got these two from, they sold out of that version, so I had to get these two. Because I planned on getting both versions, but unfortunately those other two got sold out, so these are the only two left like that. These came all the way from a store in Lehighton. I forget the name, but they're on eBay. But yeah, I don't even think Nicholas Smith has these guys. I don't even think they have these in their stock yet. I don't even know if they got their shipment in, but I know that the store I bought them from is in Lehighton, PA, and they have them. And I'm very impressed with these cars. Bowser really outdid themselves with this kit, and I do plan to get more of these cars. Let me show you guys a comparison. So I've been working on some other stuff. Technically, this video should have come after, but I'm going to upload this first. But here's the Kato cement hopper. This is one that I custom modified and detailed to be ER&W car. And if you look at the two cars, they're identical. So the Kato's on the top, the Bowser's on the bottom. So I had ideas to actually take the Kato car and actually modify it into a ballast hopper. And I might actually do that as an experiment, guys. I might do that as an experiment just to see how it would look. You know, I like experimenting and doing all that kind of stuff, so I want to do that. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick product review video of this car, and I hope you guys get your hands on these. They do plan on making several roads. I think Chicago Northwestern, Rock Island. Think Maintenance Away. I think that's a couple of the names. I could be wrong though. But yeah, they do plan on making different road numbers, and they're also available undecorated. So you know, you just had to paint the car and everything. I mean, the way the car is, eh, like the undecorated model would be really easy to paint. Um, like this is good. Like this is really good, guys. How they did this car. I'm really impressed. So I highly recommend getting your version today. You guys be cool. God bless, and I'll have more updates coming soon. Bye, y'all.